Shelby. I love you. Are you hungry? Say, I'm hungry. I love you. You don't even care, do you? You guys want some food? Shelby? You want some food? That's not your bowl. Now you're gonna eat out of your own bowl, and you're still gonna look sad, huh? You ate some of her food, now you're eating some of your food, and you still haven't eaten anything.